I've lived 1,000 places, I've looked for life in spaces, and empty rooms are all I found.
To my gorgeous wife, I'm so happy today because right now, standing in front of everyone dear to us, in front of our loved ones, family and friends, in front of God, we are made one. I don't know how to put my words all together because of the overwhelming thought that you are now my wife, and now that I'm your husband and we will be spending our future together.
Look behind and that island looks back at me. No matter how far I go, I can't leave my home.
Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Papa. Hindi magbabago yan.
Malaking tiwala namin niya bilang magiging mabuting asawa at tatay. Mahal na mahal namin yan. Baby pa rin namin yan kahit ganyan.
I could sail as far as the eye can see. Look behind and that island looks back at me. Cause no matter how far I go, I can't leave my home.
Kayo pagang anak, lagi mong tatandaan yung mga aral na tinuturo sa akin. Yun lang ang tanging alam ko na may pamamana sa iyo na sa ikagaganda ng buhay mo. Buhay na masaya, buhay na may asal.
Mahal ko, hindi ko alam paano simulan to. Pero hayaan mo ko sabihin muna sa'yo na sobrang saya ng puso ko. Dahil ikaw ang binigay sa akin. Alam ng Diyos na marami na akong pinagdaanan. At madalas pakiramdam ko, ang hirap harapin ng mga challenges na to na mag-isa. Pero nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, pakiramdam ko kaya ko na lahat. Pakiramdam ko may kakampi na ako palagi. Nandyan ka sa mga panahon na tagumpay ako. At nandyan ka rin sa mga panahon na nasa lowest ako. At yun yung minahal ko sa iyo ng sobra.
The Lord God said, "It is not good for man to be alone. I will make a helper suitable to him."
Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you.
For this reason, a man will leave his father and mother and be united to his wife, and the two will become one flesh. So they are no longer two, but one.
Waiting all my life for this moment, overcome with all the emotions. Now that you're standing here with me, feels like the first time I can see is coming in focus, like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you.
Magmula ngayon, sabay na tayong haharap sa kada bukas na dadating. Sabay na tayo sa pagharap ng mga pagsubok sa buhay at sabay na magpapasalamat sa lahat ng biyaya ang padating. Higit sa lahat, I promise to lead you towards deeper faith, to always put God at the center of our lives. I love you, Leslie Diana Borja.
Sisikapin kong gawing mas magaan at mas makulay ang buhay natin mag-asama. Ikaw ang aking tahanan, ikaw ang aking kaligayahan, at ang aking pangarap na natupad.
The time has come, it's all begun, now and forever. With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever.
Pasensya ka na sa mahaba kong wedding vow. Pangako ko sa harap ng mga taong andito at sa harap ng Diyos. Aalagaan kita, ipagluluto, ipaghuhugis ng pinggan, ipagtutupi ng damit, proprotektahan at patuloy na mamahalin at pasasayahin kahit na minsan ako yung rason ng inis at lungkot mo.
Waking up, what of you? It's just you and me. We can be here for hours, it's all that we need. All the way, we can just we're as good as it gets, honey. I believe, yeah, I believe it's a good, good life. It's a good, good life. Yeah, it feels alright. It's a good, good life.
Ang ganda ng penmanship. Throughout the years ng relationship natin, one of the things na usually na natin ginagawa ay mag-take ng photos and videos para ma-record yung mga memories and nabinuo at bubuin pa nating dalawa. Gamitin mo palagi para kapag naiinis ka sa akin, may babalikan kang pictures at maaalala mo yung mga moments na masaya at nagmamahalan tayo.
To my husband, I hope you like this gift, mahal. No more kissy message for this gift. Ahaha. I know you've been wanting to have this and I'm happy to get to be the one to buy it for you. It will be more special because you'll be wearing it on our special day. I love you. See you later, hub.
It's a good, good life. It's a good, good life. Yeah, it feels alright. It's a good, good life.
Pinapangako ko sa'yo na mamahalin kita ng tapat at buo sa lahat ng oras, sa lahat ng panahon, at sa lahat ng pagsubok ng buhay.
Loving you is one of the greatest gifts God has given me.
It's a good, good life.